Yep, that sounds about right.
Collection team has the cargo.
Got many jobs after this?
No, it's the last one.
He's retiring.
Exploring other opportunities.
Hey, well, your chance of an early death increases dramatically when you retire.
Yeah, I'll bear that in mind.
Ah, my back! This much metal ain't normal, is it?
Quite irregular. Order came down this morning, but the computer cleared it.
Well, let's hope no one untoward gets word.
Cargo's in the loading bay.
Get her on board!
All right, come on, let's not take up any more of this gentleman's time than we have to.
That's it! Let's go!
Hey, I'm not feeling so well, and I thought
Hey,
maybe
come
I
on,
could just,
Casey,
you know...
suck it up.
You can't handle the hangover, Case. Do not overindulge.
That's right. This man right here will teach you a little something about moderation.
Thanks.
No, thank you, really.
Cargo is gone.
Don't worry, Case. We move this metal at Mission Row, and you're all done. Control, we got the metal. What's your situation?
Not good, man. Merriweather know we took the UD. They out there looking for you.
Fuck. You got a solution for this problem?
We got this signal I had. I can use it to keep you away from them clowns.
Fuck. I hope you got a solution for this problem.
Yeah, dog, we own it.
Okay. The link's active. Now you can control the traffic lights. Let's go. Good luck.
Hey, we got it. Man, this shit seem easy enough. Okay, we in.
I got you a clean connection. Shouldn't be any lag on switches.
We're held up at a red. Turn her green for me. Okay, going across the junction. I'm across. Merriweather coming from the east, dawg. Okay, I gotta go east here. We got a green light.
Switched.
Hey, go left right here. Oh shit, more mercs coming from the northwest.
You're good.
Now go right at this turn.
Green light ahead.
Now don't turn, keep going.
Red light.
Yeah, make a right there.
Change is in.
Hey man, guys showing up on the west side.
There you go.
Yeah, go right at this junction. Shit, more incoming from the south. They're waving us through.
There it is.
More mercs just showed up at the top of the grid.
The light is green. Changed.
Now far left.
This one's clear. Done.
Hustle up! You guys, redistribute.
Don't think about it. Just keep going. Just a normal commute. Coming up on the tunnel. This better work. Trucks up ahead. First two, take the left one. Other two, drive onto the right truck.
Get in here, man.
I don't see the vehicles. Okay, seal the tunnel and get a ground team in there stat.
All right. Those guys will take care of the metal. Lester's meeting us at my place.